Okay, we can another Animoji unboxing that I basically tried to unbox in the place that I want to focus on personal productivity things, even though it was not so many things that I basically able to be unboxed because I don't really bought a lot of package lately. So this package is also pretty cheap and it's already automatically confirmed if I'm not mistaken, or is just will eventually automatically confirm because the limit time to confirm the things is basically not as fast as on my other place for e-commerce. So instead it's just for utilizing the free shipping instead of. Besides, I'm also wanted to bought this more things. I think